Good morning, students. My name is Mandeep Singh and I'm teaching in California Public School. So, today I'm here again for 7th class on Thursday. So, we are learning the lesson of expansion of Delhi Sultanate. So, in the previous lessons, we have learned up to the market regulations which were imposed by the Alauddin Khilji, right? So, now we will learn about something more about the Alauddin Khilji's empire. Okay, so Alauddin Khilji demise in 1360 was followed by political uncertainty. ठीक है, जब उसकी डेथ हुई 1316 में तो एक पोलिटिकल अनसर्टनिटी आ गई कि कोई एम्पायर बन जाता था, किसी की डेथ हो जाती थी. ठीक है, देन मालिक गफूर ग्रेजुअली एलिमिनेटेड हिज ओपोनेंट एज वेल एज दी हर खिजर खान. तो उसके बाद खिजर खान था जो, ठीक है, वो पावर में आ गया. राइट, देन दी इज्यूम्ड ऑल पावर्स. ठीक है, उसने सभी पावर्स अपने हैंड्स में ली. हाउएवर द नोबल्स ओवर थ्रू हिम इन मंथ्स टाइम मीन्स कुछ महीने बाद जो खिजर खान था उसे जो किंग की पदवी से हटा दिया गया. आफ्टर मुबारक शाह खिलजी, उसके बाद मुबारक शाह खिलजी था जो किंग बना. ठीक है, दिस इज नोन एज द लास्ट खिलजी रूलर एंड इट रूल्ड फॉर ओनली 4 years. ठीक है, अप टू द 1320 CE. And he was murdered by the Khusro Khan. Then Khusro Khan overthrown by the Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, right, and the governor of Dipalpur in Punjab, right. So with the Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, the empire of Khilji dynasty was over, right. After that Tughlaq dynasty started, right. So Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, so the surname of the Ghiyasuddin is Tughlaq, so this name of dynasty is known as Tughlaq dynasty. Now we will learn about the case study of Tughlaq dynasty. So it was established in 1320 CE and Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq is known as the founder of this dynasty. Then he ruled over this empire near about 1414 CE. ठीक है, this is just timing of Tughlaqs. ठीक है, not a Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. So now Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, also known as Ghazi Malik, right, was half Turkish and half Indian. Maybe his father is Turk and his mother is Indian. That's why he's known as half Turkish and half Indian. He gained support from nobles and officials of Khilji dynasty by liberating them from the ordinances of Alauddin, right. So he implemented all the ordinances. Near about 4 ordinances was there, and according to the ordinances he liberated all nobles and also got the support of these nobles. He was a strong administrator and introduced several reforms for welfare of the people. So like the other kings, he also some adopt measures for the welfare, for the happiness of the people, right. Then he also suppressed several revolts. When some governor took a step against the Ghiyasuddin, then he suppressed these revolters. Okay, he built famous Tughlaqabad fort, and he also built a famous fort like Tughlaqabad fort in Delhi. So like the every king, he also built some forts in his empire. Then Ghiyasuddin died in 1320 C when a pavilion built by his son Jona Khan and welcomed him back from military campaign and collapsed and crushed him. After winning uh, after winning a campaign, when Ghiyasuddin just coming back, so that time his son Jona Khan is stood in front of the Ghiyasuddin Balban to to welcome him. So on which place the welcome is going on was going on. So that is a pavilion, right? And this was built by Jonah Khan, right? So this pavilion collapsed and crushed and fall down on the Ghiyasuddin. So that time Ghiyasuddin Balban died. Okay. Then did you know? No, some historical documents suggest that Jonna Khan had planned murder. Some students saying that this is a murder of Ghiyasuddin Balban. Some suggest that lightning bolt hit the pavilion, right? That's why it caused the death. So it is not sure that this is a murder or this is an accident, right? Now Muhammad ibn Tughlaq sit on the throne 1325 to 1351. He has two names more. One is Jona Khan and second is Ulugh Khan. And third name is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So these all three names of a one person. He was sit on throne on 1325 C and he was the most educated sultan. Okay? He was known as various languages such as Persian, Arabic, Turkish, and even Sanskrit also he known, right? He has also a knowledge about the subjects of astronomy, philosophy, mathematics, medicine, and logic. So Muhammad bin Tughlaq undertook several ambitious projects, most of which were brilliantly conceived बट इल प्लान। जैसे कि बहुत सारे उसने प्लान्स बनाए बट ये बहुत प्लान सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो सके, ठीक है, तो वो फेल हो गए। तो वो प्लान अच्छे भी थे, ठीक है। सो दैट्स वाई दिस ही इज़ नॉन एज वाइज फूल। सो अबाउट दिस वी विल लर्न अबाउट पेज नंबर 39. So today's this much only for watching this video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel to get new videos.